Okay, another storm. June 26th. Just to remind myself. 2025. Both my parents are up. Good God. I don't think it's supposed to be bad. There's no special weather statement or severe thunderstorm warning. It's just trying to start something. It's a little blob and then it's gonna rain for like an hour. I got that on camera. You know, this is sometimes what a severe thunderstorm is. It's not, this is just like a normal thunderstorm, just a thunderstorm. But sometimes this is what a severe thunderstorm is. They mark it like that sometimes. So when I put severe thunderstorm in my title, it's because there was actually a warning. It's not clickbait. I don't know what that dude was trying to say. I'm sorry, but there's nothing in your video that matches your narrative or title whatsoever. It falls under clickbait. Tornado warning, sirens go off. There was a tornado warning. The sirens go off because there was a tornado warning. And there was 65-mile-an-hour winds and hail. It smells like cedar. It smells like, not like burning cedar, but cedar wood. Hear that this time? No tornado sirens. It's just peaceful. I hope it's peaceful. Because there's a blob of red. That's all there is, and a bunch of rain behind it. There's a blob of red and a bunch of lightning strikes over it. I gotta put out my video for my Rapid Sea Wing channel. I'm trying to do that and put out my older videos that I meant to put out 2 months ago simultaneously, so it's kind of difficult. I'm trying to get them all out of the way. That's why I was uploading like once a day, every 2 days, because I'm just trying to get enough videos out before 4th of July and so I can put out my Black Crowes concert. That will be in one video, not a bunch of them. It'll be condensed. Oh my God. That's so cool. I wonder how long that light's gonna have a stroke on here. That one. That dot over the carport, you see? Oh my God, dang it. That was such a good one. But I was zoomed in. I knew something stupid was gonna happen. It's gonna be loud, I think. Oh, by the way, it's 3:10 last time I looked at the radar. I just made myself some taquitos, as they call it. Whoa. See how slow it's moving? I might have enough time to just go in there and talk to them, but I want to get a strike. I already got one, and then I missed one, so I want to make up for that. That's okay. I gotta not get this in the way. I always do that. It's a staple to my videos at this point. It looks better without the light on anyway. You have a big white streak in the middle of the video. You usually have a big black pole in the middle of the video, and then you have a big white pole in the middle of the video. Strick. There's a lot of fireflies this year too. Probably can't see them too well, but there's not as much as last year. Last year was crazy. This year there's about 75% as much, like 2/3 actually. God dang. Are you supposed to be flashing like that? Oh my god. Dude. I zoomed in and then it went zoop zoop. Do something on camera. My parents are back to bed, I guess. I'm just getting a whole load of flashes and thunder. And I've gotten one strike. Saw 3, but got one on camera. It's coming from southwest, so this is a good shot for it. That looked like there was gonna be one. Come frickin' on. Damn. That looks like south where I'm pointing at, but it's south is actually like that way, where that big old tree is. Oh my god, that made me jump so bad. That was my lens cover. That tree I just pointed to, that big old tree, I thought it died, but it's back, I guess. This year's really good for trees. We saw a tree that was uprooted south of here a ways, and it looked pretty dang dead when we went down there. But like a week ago, we went back down there. It was still on the ground, of course, but there was freaking leaves on it. And they were the biggest leaves I've ever seen on a tree here, I swear. There's even dead trees around here that are reviving. I'm surprised that thing didn't come back. Trying to make these clips longer so I can appeal to my audience. I'm kidding. It's getting closer, it's getting higher in the sky. Lightning. Trying to appeal to my audience. Nah. A lot of late millennials, or a lot of early millennials and late Gen Xers watch my videos, I notice. There's not many people my age or grandmas. A grandma did subscribe to me. I'm pretty sure she's a grandma. She had white curly hair, round glasses. She had a video about braces 16 years ago. I don't know. So yeah, that's cool. I would like y'all to comment. That would be cool. Comment more. Just so I know y'all are here watching my stuff. Because a lot of people my age comment, which is cool. It's cool either way, but I'd like more. I just want someone to talk to, please. Why? Lightning-inate. It's getting breezier. It smells like sulfur. That's probably not good. Isn't that like the smell of Satan or something? Oh, I might have got that. Should probably turn this on now. There's that one. Okay, there we go. That was cool. Do that some more, please. I'll pay you. I'll pay you $6 if you strike again. Not down here, up there. I'll give you $6. Like, here, take my money. Make sure it's really windy. There it goes. Hey. I need to see a bolt though. Come on. That's looking a bit ominous. It was far away. Whew. Bugs all over my arm. That elm tree's getting pretty sizable down there. I broke that in springtime and it revived better than ever, so I don't know what's going on. These elm trees seem to be better than they were when I was little. You seem to have it easier up here, I guess. Like that elm tree over there that was swaying real bad, that was smaller when I first moved here, noticeably. What was that? It's dark to the north. I hope my parents are just in bed laying down and not asleep. I'm gonna go. Okay, I just let them know. They're just laying there. They're not sleeping, going back to sleep yet. And now it really smells like sulfur. Somebody doing a dang pentagram in the forest or something, and I'm just smelling it, can't see it. I don't know, maybe that forest has a lot of weird stuff. And you can see the elm tree I was talking about. It pokes up above that, pokes up in front of that tree now. It used to not, which is cool. I swear that tree is the loudest thing. Shit. I knew that was gonna be loud. It was a big frickin' flash. It's getting less humid. Yeah, you can hear that wind. It's not, oh my god. That's not terrible. I don't know, I've seen worse. You probably hear. God, it's hard to open the door. It's definitely a storm. The hell? Something creaked or whistled. It said ditto. This should have had at least a special weather statement. There's a special weather statement south where there's something else going on. It doesn't even look this. It's not even, don't look as bad as this. There was hail north of us earlier, but I mean like 1 mile north of us, but I was asleep. Is it chilling out? Please? That's about what we see every couple months or so, like 35 miles an hour. Shit. What in the crap? Ah, crap. That was so weird. I plugged my ears. That was like 1 second. Yeah, I'm gonna touch the metal now. I'm gonna put my foot to the metal now. Hopefully it doesn't come out here. I don't know what. I just noticed that. This is a cabinet I broke on accident. Rainer. Rainy dragon. Nope. That was incredible. That was cloud to ground. I should probably get inside a little bit. I hope the wind chilled out. That was like 170 mile an hour gust that was stretched out into 40. Didn't even look as bad as 40. If I ever get a chance, I should make merch about that light and the tree behind it. Or if I do like a solo music project, that tree will be my album. Or EP cover. I don't have that much brain power. It's got colder in it. Cold and kick in. That was over there. Yeah, see, that tree don't look like it's swaying as much in my video than it does in real life. Everything looks better in real life. Shit. That was a strike. I kind of burnt my thumb. Just a tad. I felt something. Glass is probably better than metal to touch, but I honestly don't know. I gotta look more into this. Aww. Nope. It drizzled all over my camera. Freaking leaky sucker. That always happens. Nope. Wrong. What? I'm really not in the mood for this, but I got some strikes. That makes me feel a bit better. It's not really windy. So far, so good. Once those 2 pine trees down there start swaying, that's how you know something's happening. The door stays open though. Shh. Whoa. Calm down. I'm swaying a little bit. This is why I take off my wind protector, because it stuffs the water soaks into the camera. So maybe I need to take that off more, but you get better audio when I don't have it. When I have it on. When I don't have it, it sounds like. Make a tunnel with me in the doors. It's getting foggy. Bagel sandwiches. My arm's getting tired holding this camera. Oh crap. I wonder how bad it is in that back room where they are, or what they think of it at least. Because this rain used to bang on that air conditioner. Is that a siren? Ah, stuff on my camera. That's how loud it is in here. Focus on not the lens itself. Yeah, it's cooler, at least. Blew that out of the way, took a lot of that out of the air. Doesn't smell like sulfur anymore, it smells like rain. I love that smell, a rain. I need an air freshener that smells like that. Apparently there's this place in in like Korea somewhere, not North Korea, hell no. Apparently there's a place there where you can get an air freshener or something that smells like a memory. I don't know how that works. And I obviously won't be going there anytime soon. Oh no, it was like a perfume. No, I'd rather an air freshener. I don't want to wear the smell, I want to walk into the smell. Vicious. I'm really proud of this recording. This clip's getting a little long. Got a bit windier, but the rain has calmed down, and it's gonna be raining like this maybe an hour at most. On and off. The thunder's all that way, so there's no point in really recording this anymore. Oh, my door's shut by itself. There's really no point in recording this anymore, but I'm pretty satisfied with the sounds and the visuals. That was crazy. When that lightning hit, I was like, oh. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is probably my rainiest outro I've ever did. Thanks for watching. And again, thanks for 600 subscribers. I'll see you next time.